Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I was a bit MIA since I did not post a video on Tuesday, but I was actually not well and I might be a bit low today. Now I feel quite better, and since it's going to be Ganesh Chaturthi on the 22nd, Saturday, so I thought why not do a quick, simple and easy makeup, hair and outfit video for you guys. And this video is going to be up on Friday, so that is like the perfect timing and everything. I know we won't be going out this time, but even uh, but then also we are going to celebrate. So for that, like, just if you want to, like, get ready at home to click photographs or to just feel good, like if you get ready you do feel good, so for that this video, yeah, keep watching it. And yeah, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see more content on makeup, lifestyle, beauty, fun, comedy, everything actually. And even it's the back to school season, so I'm making videos on that also. So yeah, to stay updated and to watch more videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's get into the video. I am thinking of doing a very normal and simple sort of a makeup. I've already like cleansed my face, so I'll just put my moisturizer right now. And for that I'm going to be using this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. But now I'm going to prime my face, and for that I will be using this Patanjali's aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is a very good primer, so I'm just going to take a little bit of it and apply it on. Next, I'm going to take my foundation. This is from Lakme. This is the Perfecting Liquid Foundation. I will mention all the products and even the blushes this time, since I got a request from one of my subscribers to like mention which brush I use. And I'm sorry if I have not been doing it. I will make sure to do it this time. So yeah, do check the description box for all the product details this time. So I'll just take a little bit of it, since it's going to be a very natural and subtle makeup. So to natural makeup is to blend anything that you're putting on your face very nicely. Next, I will be setting up my face, and for that I will use this Maybelline's compact, and I will take my beauty blender again. Now I will brush out the remaining powder from my face using this brush from Avon. Blush, and for natural looking flushed cheeks I'm going to put my lip balm, and this is the Maybelline's. And I'm going to do like draw a very thin line very close to my upper lash line area. I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and smudge the kajal. Next, I will use this Beauty shadow palette, this shade, and go over my kajal. Same thing with this eye, and gonna come back. Ta-da! I am back, and also I have put kajal on my lower lash line as well. I love my eyes right now. It is looking good. Let me know in the comment section if you think the same as well. So yeah, we are done with the eyes. Actually no, we are left with mascara. So I am using the Avon's Simply Pretty mascara, and then our eye look will be totally complete. I'm going to go with a brown shade since I don't have a very heavy eye look on, so why not go with a bold lip color. So this is from Anything. This is the lipstick I use for contouring mostly. I'm done with my makeup. Now next we are going to do the outfit, and then I'll show you the hairstyle that I will be doing for today. So yeah, let's go and change. So this is what I choose for my outfit. This is just a very simple basic dress, and it has a slit over here on my right leg, and I wore the silver necklace, and I paired my dress with a red belt. I was thinking of some sort of a hairstyle, but then it didn't actually go with my outfit, so I was like, just chuck it and leave it open. And I'm so happy and proud of myself because I am loving this look. So yeah, this is my final look, you guys, and I'm so happy the way the look has turned out. And yeah, if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and yes, share this video. See you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, guys.